Let's go behind the barn door and learn about this amazing goat. Boys and girls, do you remember the baby goat from the last behind the barn door? Yes, this is her mother. Her mother is not producing enough milk for her, and I'll show you why. See her udder? It's not full, so the baby can't get enough milk. Here is a back view of the udder. Here is the other mother goat with her two babies. See how full this mother goat's udders are? This is what the other mother's udders should look like. Full of milk. Here is a side view of her udder. And here is a side view of both the mothers. Oh, you're a nice mommy, huh? Yes, you are, huh? Yes, you are. For the boys and girls, huh? You're blessed with one little goat, one little baby goat. Boys and girls, these two goats grew up on the farm, and I think they might be sisters. Now I want you to watch this mother goat as she watches her baby go to the other side. Now the baby goat is on the other side nursing the other mother. This is very kind of this goat to allow the other mother's baby to nurse on her. There. There's all three of them. You able to nurse your own baby, huh? There she is. She loves those other little kids over there. Yes. Yes, you're a nice mother though. Yes. I'm not sure if you have enough milk in you for your baby. That's why she goes to the other side so much. And the other mother is so kind to nurse your baby too, huh? Yes, she is. She's a nice mom. And you're a nice mom too. You love your baby. Remember last time behind the barn door when I thought all three of these babies belonged to this one mother? Now we know the story, don't we? That this little baby right here belongs to the mother on the other side. Boys and girls, this is an amazing mother goat. Kind goat to nurse the other goat's baby. How wonderful that is. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All three of them on her now. All three little baby kids. Nursing off of this one mom. There's her baby over there, boys and girls nursing on this other mother. Thank goodness that mother will let the baby nurse on her. See the little tiny one there? That's her baby. There she is. You gonna jump up again? You gonna jump up again? Come on, come on. Again. Oh, he's eating my sleeve, boys and girls. You're eating my sleeves. On my sleeve. Is my sleeve that good? Oh my goodness. Yeah. You are a chewer, aren't you? Hey there. Hey. Hey, you. Say hi to the boys and girls. Say hi to the boys and girls, you cutie. Hi, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Yes. Boy, you are an active one, aren't you? But a cutie. Yes, you are. Oh, my goodness. Was that backflip? Huh? Was that backflip? Yes. Look at the boys and girls and say hi. Say hi. I'm a cutie. Yes. Oh, you're going to chew the wire there, huh? You're going to chew that now instead of my clothes. Here's your brother or your sister. I'm not sure, boys and girls, if these are males or females. Eating on your side, huh? Come on. All three of the babies.